Today, I'll show you the best way to make fried eggs simple, fast, and perfect every time. No fancy tools, just real technique. All you need is fresh eggs, a nonstick or cast iron pan, butter or oil, salt, and pepper. Start with medium-low heat. Add about 1 teaspoon of butter. Let it melt gently, no browning. Crack your egg into a small bowl first, then slide it into the pan. This keeps the yolk perfect and avoids shell pieces. Let the egg cook gently for 2 to 3 minutes. The white should be fully set, the yolk still soft and alive. Season at the end, just salt and pepper. For sunny side up, don't flip. Cover the pan for 30 seconds, steam cooks the top. Flip once, 10 to 15 seconds. That's it. 30 to 45 seconds after flipping jammy, creamy yolk. Want crispy edges? Use oil instead of butter. Medium-high heat. Spoon hot oil over the whites. Remember, low heat for tenderness. Butter plus oil for flavor and control. Fresh eggs always look better. This is how you make fried eggs simple, honest, and perfect. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and tell me how you like your eggs.